Good morning, everybody, and happy Thursday. We are here on social media talking about the weather forecast for today, tomorrow, and even the weekend. It's officially September. It's September 1st, and that comes with a new season. That is the start of meteorological fall. Now, it's not to be confused with astronomical fall. There's two different ways of looking at it. And matter of fact, I do have an explainer on this right here. So, for example, meteorological fall starts with 3 months divided into every year. So you'll see meteorological fall is September, and that goes through October, November, and then winter begins December, and then goes through January and February, and then spring, March, April, May, summer, June, July, August. So basically the seasons for meteorological terms is divided into 4 parts of the year and 3 months at a time. And again, that's different from astronomical fall. And you'll see with this right here, based on when the equinox and solstice is for the planet, that's when astronomical fall, winter, summer begins. And you'll see this year and through next year, fall begins on September 22nd, and then winter, December 21st, and then so on and so forth. So these are based on the tilt of the planet and where it is exactly around the sun in its revolution around the star. So that's the difference between astronomical and meteorological season. So again, today is the start of meteorological fall. This is the time of year when things start to really cool down. And speaking of cool, it's humid out there. We're not going to be as hot today. We'll be around 93 this afternoon, as opposed to 100 degrees, the last couple months this year. Dry though, radar is quiet, and we'll show you that in just a bit. But first, temperature-wise, we're at 84 degrees, feels like 90. We have a southeast wind at 9 miles an hour. Humidity's up, so tropical air is still in place. Dew points are in the 70s, so it's a very humid atmosphere. As you get out the door this morning, 85 to 84 in the city, 75 in Rock Springs, 77 in Del Rio, near 90 to our east from Port Lavaca, Hallettsville, Gonzales, LaGrange, and near Columbus, near the I-35 corridor as well. So here's the timeline. 93 today with a blend of clouds and sunshine. Overall, nice and also humid day and below average. Better chance for rain, for thunderstorms, for scattered showers will be late this evening towards the nighttime hours. So after sunset, I would say between about 6, 8, and 10 p.m. Probably the best window for seeing some measurable rain in the San Antonio area and across the region. You can see, based on radar right now, activity very sparse. The only areas that are seeing rain at this hour is Hondo, some spotty, maybe sprinkles out near Kerrville, south of Junction, La Pryor. You can see I'll stop the clock right there, guys, and show you where the rain is falling right now. So south of Bandera, north of Highway 90, that's where some rain is falling at 11:30 this morning, and then some more scattered activity near Crystal City, Eagle Pass, Cotulla, Encinal, I-35, and then I'll go farther east towards the coastal Bend, Beeville, seeing a few downpours as well. But again, coverage of rain is few and far between. There's not much out there. And I do expect most of this activity to stay very isolated today. It's not until this evening things get a little bit better, coverage increases, and we see a better potential at some localized heavy downpours. Same thing for Friday. So we're wrapping up the week with a very similar pattern, hot, humid, highs in the lower 90s. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and basically all of next week, daily chances for showers and thunderstorms. Not expecting anything severe in this forecast. However, on and off rain, waves of thunderstorms could certainly lead to isolated pockets of course, heavy rain, but also some localized flooding. It's not going to be a widespread problem, but considering these last couple weeks have been wetter than usual, or at least compared to the last couple months, our soil is still somewhat saturated, so a lot of this may turn into runoff tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday, mainly this weekend into next week as well. And that's because of a front that's going to stall out south of Bexar County and south of San Antonio. So today, mostly cloudy, highs near 93 to 94. Some rain northeast towards Bryan, College Station, north of Houston. That's later on this evening. And there may be a spot shower here and there, again through 4 and 5 today. Better chance at rain increases this evening. And let me switch up the model run because this is not depicting it the way it should, because this is one forecast model. Let's go to the HRRR forecast model and show you what we got. So that is preset. This is going to be cloud, and then that is good. Perfect. Okay. So this afternoon, mostly cloudy, highs in the 90s, and then this evening, we'll see a little bit more activity materialize. Is it going to be a lot? No, but areas around the Hill Country, Kerrville, Bernie, Gonzales, LaGrange could certainly see a few heavy downpours this evening after sunset. So sunset around 7:58 tonight. And then after that, things should get a little bit more active. It's not going to be a whole lot. And again, mostly east of 35, but a few downpours could linger and drift towards San Antonio between the Hill Country here, San Marcos, Seguin, and Gonzales, and so on and so forth. And then we'll see some overnight activity, but most of it should fall apart after midnight thanks to the lack of daytime heat and cooling air. And then tomorrow morning, a little bit of cloud cover and some sunshine just like what we're seeing right now. So let's go into the timeline for today in terms of rain. So what I want to mention is that through tomorrow and even early parts of Saturday, very quiet. Some scattered rain here and there, just like what you saw on radar, Futurecast. And then after Saturday and then into Saturday night, Sunday, things get a little bit more active. Main takeaway is that the heaviest rainfall will be farther south towards Beeville, Victoria, Corpus Christi. A front is going to move through and stall out somewhere between I-10 and the Rio Grande Valley. And what that will do is be the focal point for more heavy rain developing between Saturday and pretty much next Tuesday. So these rainfall totals are not all at once. They are between this weekend and next Tuesday. This is one forecast run, and you'll see between Beeville, Victoria, south of Bexar County, towards Pleasanton and even Laredo. Those are the pockets of rain that are going to see upwards of 2 to 3 inches of rain between Saturday and next Tuesday. And you can see this may give you a better idea of how it'll play out. So watch the timestamp in the upper right-hand corner. This is tomorrow at 6 p.m. Some heavy rain out near Houston and some spotty activity around San Antonio. First half of the weekend, 6, 7 a.m. Saturday morning, scattered showers along the coast, right? So from Raymondville to Corpus Christi to Port Lavaca, Matagorda Bay, and towards Galveston. Scattered downpours along the coast Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon, more of the same, and I do think the chance at rain will be primarily focused between San Antonio and Corpus Christi. So between, let's say, Live Oak County, Beeville, Laredo, Encinal, Carrizo Springs, Cotulla. Near the coast is where more of the tropical downpours are going to be this weekend. And that should be the case for Monday and Tuesday as well. And then things should be on and off all of next week, but still a pretty good chance at rain every single day in the 7-day. Now take a look at this. We also turn to the tropics. It's September 1st. September 10th is the climatological peak of hurricane season, so that's when we typically see the most activity, early to middle September. And we've only had 3 named storms so far. No hurricanes, which, by the way, in the month of August we usually see a lot of activity, but it's been quiet. And it's been the first time since 1997 since we've never seen a hurricane in the month of August. So it's been 25 years. And you can see we have not seen much activity. And you'll see on the Atlantic tropical map, there are a couple of waves that bear some watching. One in particular, east of the Lesser Antilles Islands and northeast of South America. That is moving towards the north, so it doesn't look like it's going to be an impact for the Gulf of Mexico. But if it were named, Danielle is the next name on the list, and you'll see we've seen 3 tropical storms so far. Danielle, Earl, Fiona, and Gaston are next up to bat. And given the particular setup in the Atlantic, well, we could see more. However, again, it's been in a below average year, and we thought it was going to be more active based on the La Nina pattern and things like that, but there's just been so much wind shear and dust in the Atlantic where it really hasn't developed much in tropical activity. All right, wrapping up with the 7-day, here it is. Today, 93, only a 20% chance at an afternoon shower, better chance late this evening into early Friday morning, 94 on Friday, and then we'll really cool down based on that frontal boundary that'll move farther south and provide some cooler air. Also some pretty good rainfall. So Saturday and Sunday scattered to numerous showers, of which could be heavy at times. 89 on Saturday, 86 on Sunday. Cloudy, gray, gloomy, and damp with just scattered showers in our area. However, the farther south you go towards the coast, towards Corpus Christi, Port Lavaca, Rockport, you're going to run into more heavy rain, and also near Houston as well. Rain lingers through Monday and then still stays steady Tuesday and Wednesday. It's still going to be scattered in nature by the early part of next week, but we're entering a pretty similar weather pattern this weekend into next week as well compared to last week. And with daily chances of rain, this is just what we need after one of the driest and hottest summers on record. Again, it's the beginning of September, and the first week of September will be cooler than average, and a little more cloud cover and some rain-cooled air Saturday, Sunday, and into Monday. And you guys are asking if it's going to rain on Saturday and Sunday. So the annual Filipino and Pacific Islander Festival. Yeah, so guys, so it's going to start near the coast, and it looks like, so let me actually just walk you through it. This is a good question. Let's see if my model can go out that far. So this is the HRRR. So people asking about weekend plans. Heaviest rain down near the coast, spotty scattered activity Saturday with more numerous showers on Sunday. And that's around the San Antonio area. So let's go down to the IBM and let's answer y'all's question. And again, these are, forecast model runs. Take it with a grain of salt, depending on like where exactly it places rain. But you'll see, I'm going to fast forward through Friday, right? This is Friday 10:30. This is tomorrow afternoon this time. This is tomorrow night, Friday night, some spotty activity, nothing to be too concerned about. But as we go into Saturday morning, things get a little bit more active. Look towards the coast, Saturday morning, 7:30 around sunrise. And it's mostly cloudy and with just some light rain around Saturday morning, nothing to be too concerned about. But Saturday evening and Saturday afternoon, that's when things are going to fill in and get a little bit more active. So expect scattered showers Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and I'll go through Saturday night with a few heavy rain pockets possible. So unfortunately, not the best time to be having outdoor plans this weekend. It will be quiet in the morning, but the activity, the rain coverage will definitely increase in coverage and amp up towards the late afternoon and evening on Saturday. And probably the same thing on Sunday. My forecast model probably doesn't go out that far. Yeah, so it stops on Sunday morning at 7 a.m. Same thing, some morning light rain in San Antonio, heaviest rain south of I-10 towards the coastal bend with a few pockets near the San Antonio area, heavy at times. Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon. So rinse and repeat, scattered to numerous showers every day this weekend and even to early next week. But Saturday morning should be the most quiet, mostly cloudy, but things will eventually ramp up towards the late afternoons and evenings. So that is the main takeaway. Unfortunately, not the best setup for this weekend. It's the first weekend of September, but it will be cloudy, it will be damp at times, and there could be some heavy rain around the Bexar County area. So please, use that. And again, take it with a grain of salt depending on where the placement on those showers and thunderstorms are. But again, rain's going to be around this weekend as we kick off the month of September. All right, so here's the 7-day. Give it a little bit. There we go. 94 Friday, and then we get cooler this weekend, more humid as well, cloudy with scattered rain with a few pockets of some localized downpours. 88 on Monday for Labor Day, and 90 Tuesday and Wednesday. Unfortunately, again, some rain is in the forecast for this weekend, guys.